Hello mga UVG, ako ulit. So, let's see. Tingnan natin. Maraming salamat po pala sa mga new subscriber natin at saka sa mga nag-like at saka nag-comment. Maraming salamat po. So, tingnan natin. Um, Last week of April. Para po sa mga hindi maka-resonate, no? Better luck next time po. Pero po sa mga maka-resonate naman, thank you po in advance. So, tingnan natin. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, so tingnan natin. Kung queen or tapos ikaw lalaki nanonood nito, tapos kung emperor naman, tapos babae kang nanonood nito. Let's see. Maaaring naganap na magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap workings. So, tingnan natin. Queen of Cups. Mabenta tong Queen of Cups sa'yo ngayon. In fairness. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Ooh, Victory card. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, you reap what you sow. Okay. So, kung anong itinanim siyang aanihin. Okay, the World card. New beginning, Virgo. Meron kang, hindi ka naman makakarating dito kung wala kang pinagdaanan eh. Merong big opportunity sa'yo dito, Virgo. That's for sure. And you are going to be very victorious, Virgo. This is all about the bag, Virgo. The more you nurture yourself and take care of others' needs, yung tawag niyan, equal give and take pa. Ibig ko sabihin, kung anong ginawa mong kabutihan ay babalik sa'yo ng sampung tipig. Anong tipig ba yun? Tenfolds. So, okay. So, the victory card, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. Very positive, Virgo. Very positive. End of April. Okay. End of April, meron ka ditong new beginning, Virgo. New start. Yun ang naririnig ko. And sa nakikita ko dito, maaalagaan mo pa ng sarili yung sarili, maaalagaan mo pa ng husto yung sarili mo. At basta mapapamper mo yung sarili mo dito. You got the bag, Virgo. You're going to be in the public eye. People notice you. May mga papansin sa'yo, Virgo. Makakapansin sa'yo, glowing na rin at the same time. Okay. So, meron kang new beginning, meron kang financial, meron kang paparating this last week of April. Okay. So, tingnan natin, i-clarify natin each card. Okay, so sa nakikita ko dito sa dalawa, Virgo, ang overgiving mo. Okay, so be careful lang sa mga pag-overgive kasi masyado kang generous dito. Okay, so tingnan natin. Pero anyway, at the end of the day, you are going to be very victorious. Kung ano man ang plano mo, pinaplano mo, or ano man ang kasalukuyang ginagawa mo, Virgo, you are going to be victorious anyway. Okay. Okay, this is a new beginning for you. Okay. Sometimes it can represent arrival. Okay. New beginning, ending something in order to begin new one. This is a cycle. Okay, so cycle na natapos or another chapter naman, kumbaga. Okay, this is a new beginning. The World card may travel din. Okay, so tingnan natin, clarify natin each card. Eight of Swords. Ooh, Six of Wands ulit. Virgo. The Full card. The Strength card. Virgo, sa nakikita ko dito, ang grabe ang leap of faith mo. Okay. Even though nasabihin natin you are trapped on something, pero meron kang incoming na new opportunity dito. Pero sa pagiging stuck mo, kung nasaan ka man ngayon, okay. Para po sa mga Virgo hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Kung nasaan ka man ngayon, feeling mo, meron kasing ano dito, ang Eight of Swords kasi is negative thoughts, okay. Self-imposed restriction, imprisonment, victim mentality, restriction, feeling isolated. So Virgos, as I said, kung feeling mo is nasa ano ka, feeling isolated ka, feeling anyway, you are going to be victorious. Just trust the process, Virgo. Trust the process dito ang nakikita ko, kasi meron ka ditong leap of faith eh. The more na nagtitiwala ka sa proseso, feeling mo stuck ka, feeling mo wala nangyayari, feeling blindfolded ka, pero nakikita mo, ramdam mo. Pasensya ka na, Virgo, sa boses ko medyo napupunga. Okay. Pero sa nakikita ko dito, everything happens for a reason, Virgo. There is no coincidence. Okay, just trust the process here. Feeling stuck ka man, feeling, pero nandun pa rin ang nurturing side mo eh. Even though na feeling, umalis ka dito sa negative self-talk mo, Virgo. Or stuck mentality mo, or na feeling mo lang yun kasi, 'di ba? Pero nandito Six of Wands. So victory card over Ace of Pentacles. So Virgo, hinahasa ka lang with the Full card and the Strength card. Hinahasa ka lang. Full card is taking a leap of faith into a newness. Sabi ko sa'yo dito with the World card, meron kang new beginning din dito. Take a risk, Virgo. Okay, as I know, sa nakikita ko, taking a risk ka nga dito kahit feeling mo stuck ka in a place, mentally, emotionally, physically, it will make sense at the end, Virgo. It will make sense. It will fall into place anyway. Okay, so i-continue mo lang yung kung meron ka mang self-doubt or stuck ka man, naiisip mo yung despite sa likod, sa kabila ng mga feeling stuck mo or feeling isolated ka, the nurturing side is still there, umaangat, or good Samaritan, yung pagiging good Samaritan mo. Okay, so that's why meron kang reward dito, nakadestiny to para sa'yo, nakapangalan sa'yo, walang ibang pwedeng kumuha kundi ikaw lang. Okay, walang ibang pwedeng mag-claim kundi ikaw lang. So nakalaan to para sa'yo, pinaghirapan mo. So victory is yours, Virgo. So trust the process. First row, April 1st. Okay. As I said kanina, your hard work is paying off, Virgo. Lalong lumalakas everyday. Lalong lumalakas ang pagtitake risk mo, even though na hindi mo alam, pero even though nangangapa ka or mangangapa ka, you can still do it. The more knowledge ang nagigain mo with the Strength card. Okay, Virgo. So, yan na nakikita ko dito sa first row. Sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? So, tingnan natin kung anong Ace of Pentacles. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles for my Virgo. Seven of Pentacles. Investment, Virgo. Three of Swords. Waiting something. Nine of Cups. And the Nine of Wands. 9-9. So So, with the Hangman, merong delay Virgo dito. So, as I said, trust the process. Okay. Sa May, meron ka ditong hinihintay. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung anong hinihintay mo. Pero, ika-clarify ko pa tong, or either way, meron ka dito or may naghihintay ng something. Bigay mo. Merong naghihintay dito na something bigay mo. Pero I think makakaligtaan mo, or hindi naman sa makakaligtaan, medyo short. Hindi ko sinabing short, pero merong heartbroken dito eh. Or talagang ginagawa mo to para lang protektahan ang iyong savings or ang iyong desire. Kung nasa Ace of Pentacles tayo underneath, merong naghihintay dito Virgo na magbigay ka. Okay. Pero at the end of the day, malakas ang depensa mo. Bakit kasi? Baka kasi alam mo na kung sino tong humihingi. Dali, wait lang. May humihingi dito Virgo eh. May nag-aantay ng bigay mo. 5 of Wands, away-away na to. The Star card. And the World. Actually, Virgo, tapos na to eh. Kung sino man tong naghihintay, para po sa mga Virgo hindi makaka-resonate sa second row, better luck next time po. Apology. Okay. So, meron ditong away, palitan ng salita, competition, debate, okay, confrontation, away, basta away to. Okay, kung sino man to siya, gusto niya i-heal ang sitwasyon sa iyo, Virgo, or ikaw ang nag-healing dahil sa damages na ginawa ng person na to, mentally, emotionally, physically, financially. Okay, so ngayon merong naghihintay dito na ka in return. Okay, pero meron ka ditong defense mechanism na strategy. Okay, Virgo, tapos na to sa'yo, tinapos mo na to, pero nagre-resurface pa rin. Okay, bakit? Dahil financially gustong makipag-connect sa'yo dahil sa finances. Okay, finances ang big factor dito. Let's just say gold digger. Okay, sorry po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate. Pero sa second row po, merong naghihintay dito. Gusto makipag-reconnect sa'yo. Gusto hilang sitwasyon. Gusto mag-refresh sa'yo. Why? Bakit? Because of the finances. Because nakikita ng taong to na ang taas ng defense mo, at saka you are going to go and get your own bag. I mean, with the 9 of Cups, wala kang unstoppable ka dito. Marami ka ng history na pinagbigyan or inintindi ng mga tao. Meaning to say, hindi mo inisantabi mo yung mga desire mo, yung goals mo, yung dreams mo. Ngayon, poprotektahan mo na siya. Okay. Pero ngayon, may mga taong naghihintay dito, Virgo. Merong isang tao dito na gusto i-heal ang sitwasyon. Naging kaaway mo to. Grabe ang bangayan nyo nito. Grabe ang debate nyo. Okay. When it regards to finances, Virgo, at the last week of April. Okay. So, hindi ko alam kung, pero parang feeling ko manghihingi to, naghihintay to eh. Siguro iniisip ng taong to, nag-invest siya sa'yo in some point, like time, effort, finances, physically, emotionally. Siguro ang isip niya ganun. Pero heartbroken siya kasi hindi mo hahayaang sirain ulit ang goals and dreams mo. Wounded warrior ka na oh. Ang dami ng mistakes dito. Hindi ko alam kung sino sa'yo yan. Siblings, relationship, family, coworker. Basta, it's all about finances. Involve ang finances. Okay, pero para sa'yo, tinapos mo na to, itong person na to gusto lang makipag-ayos kasi may gusto lang siya sa'yo. Okay, sorry to say Virgo, pero reality check din. Okay. Tignan natin ang Six of Wands. Sa Six of Wands, clarify the Six of Wands. Victory card, Virgo. Despite ng mga kung sino man yan. Ganyan, gusto makipag-ayos kasi nakikitang stepping stone ka na going to success. Nararamdaman na nilang kukunin mo na kung ano yung dapat sa'yo. Kukunin mo na yung kung anong dapat sa'yo matagal na. Okay. Ba't ako nagagalit? Ewan ko ba tong energy na to? Ano naman? Ay. Clarify the six of wands. Seven of wands. Okay. Kailangan mong depensahan. Okay. Queen of cups ulit. Okay. Pero with compassion. Two of cups. Ace of swords. So, sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, together with the page of cups, merong nasa public eye ka, Virgo. May nakakapansin sa'yo. May mata dito. Merong mata dito na ina-admire ka. Okay. With the page of cups, this is my admirer card. Okay. Merong offer din, Virgo. It can grow. Six of wands to the seven of wands. Kailangan mong protektahan. Okay, Virgo. Ang mga kung ano man ang pinaplano mo, ano man, kailangan mong protektahan, Virgo. Okay. Seven of wands, kung hindi, may mga naisayar kasi dito eh. Ayun, seven of wands kasi challenges yan, competition. Okay. Protection, preserve defense, maintaining control, holding your own, standing up for yourself. Okay, Virgo, so mo kailangan ka dito, kailangan mong protektahan ang six of ang victory mo, ang pagiging victorious mo. Okay, pero ginagawa mo siya, ipinaglalaban mo siya in a very compassionate way, in a very loving way. Okay, so meron ditong nakakakita sa'yo na yung heart mo, okay, lumalabas yung energy mo, nag-vibrate yung energy mo. Ibig ko sabihin, kung ano yung ugali or character meron ka. Okay, loob at labas. Okay, so parang natural lang sa'yo na maging compassionate sa sitwasyon. Parang iniisip mo, nilalagay mo, sinusuot mo yung tsinelas ng ibang tao bago ka. May panghuhusga ang Virgo, merong attitude na ganun, pero deep inside ng mga Virgo, talagang do or die sila when it comes to helping other people. Okay, so with the two of cups is being here and the ace of swords, merong opportunity dito, Virgo. With the two of cups, merong nakakapansin sa'yo, merong nag-a-admire sa'yo from afar. So tingnan natin what is the two of cups. Eight of cups. Okay, pero hindi pwede with the queen of pentacles and the magician card. Sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa lahat ng mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, so sa nakikita ko dito, Virgo, with the magician card and the queen of pentacles together with the eight of cups, with the two of cups, kasi clarify ko ang two of cups, kailangan mag-walk away para makuha mo tong queen of pentacles at saka the magician card, ang manifestation. Kailangan mong mag-walk away on a certain connection, Virgo. Even though it hurts, pero it really hurts. Pero kailangan po protektahan dito yung future plan mo. Okay, kumbaga. So, you need to leave something behind, okay, that is no longer serving you. Two of Cups is like a soulmate card. Nandun na tayo, pero syempre, pagdating sa career, kailangan focus dito, Virgo, for long-term future plans. Okay, bakit may walking away? King of Swords. So, sa King of Swords, wise ka na, you are smart enough to know, Virgo, what is long-term relationship or what is short-term relationship. So, the connection is there, ang chemistry is there. So, but still, you need to prioritize something, okay? So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, with the manifestation card, ito ang maging financially free, okay? But you need to make a decision here with the two of cups and the eight of cups together with the king of swords. King of swords is you need to be smart enough, okay? Heart over head, okay, pero ang chemistry nandun, you feel each other ka, pero you need to prioritize something when it comes to long-term future plans, okay? financially wise. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo, sa third row. Okay, so, tingnan natin yung anong advice sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate. Better luck next time po, okay? So, tingnan natin. Anong advice sa akin mga kayo VG dyan? Sana po ay naririnig nyo ako. Pasensya na po kayo kung bumubulong ako. Okay. So, let's see. You are good enough, Virgo. Work through your fears. Sa first row kanina, wait lang. Sorry lang. Sa first row kanina, work through your fears. Meron ka dito, as I said. Okay, just trust the process kasi meron ka ditong doubt, meron ka ditong um, stuck ka from the, I don't know kung saan ka stuck, pero don't stay there, nasa isip mo lang yan. Okay, Virgo, so you need to work through your fears. So, it's time to take action, Virgo. Bottom on the deck, prosperity lies ahead. Wow. So, Virgo, you are good enough. Okay, no doubt. Huwag kang mag-doubt kasi victory is here. 2 times lumabas ang victory card, Ace of Pentacles, all about the bag. Dalawang world card. So, this is a very positive reading, Virgo, for you from the last week of April. So, prosperity lies ahead. Most especially overall energy. You need to take action on something, Virgo. Meron ditong nakatingin sa'yo, nag-admire sa'yo, okay? And you need to walk away into a certain connection or future plans. If you can do it together, then there's no need to walk away. Pero sometimes ang universe, may mga bagay sila, may mga ways sila. Okay, so kaya nandito ang work through your fears at it's time to take action. So you need to make a bold decision, Virgo, for yourself, for your future. Okay, Virgo. So, yan nakikita ko. Tingnan natin kung anong angel message number. Meron kang 10, 3, 8, 10, 3, 8, Virgo. So, i-google mo siya, angel message number 1038. Meron kang mensahe dyan na baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, that's what I have for you, Virgo. Okay. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.